Today, we're uncovering 10 hidden causes of chronic inflammation that might be affecting your health without you even knowing. Chronic inflammation can show up as fatigue, brain fog, joint pain, and digestive issues that just don't seem to go away. You may have tried different remedies, only to feel frustrated when nothing brings relief. These hidden triggers could be the reason. Stay tuned as I reveal the most common inflammation causes, along with practical solutions you can try today to feel better. Let's get started. Let's dive into the first surprising trigger, something you might be eating every day. First up is gluten, a surprising source of inflammation that goes beyond just digestive issues. Gluten, a protein found in wheat and other grains, can be hard for some people's bodies to break down. For those sensitive to gluten, it can irritate the gut lining and lead to a condition called leaky gut. This is where food particles leak into the bloodstream, causing immune reactions that can lead to symptoms like brain fog, bloating, and fatigue. It's surprising how many people feel better when they reduce or avoid gluten in their diets. I'm curious, have you ever tried going gluten-free? It can feel like a big change, but it's worth considering if you're dealing with unexplained symptoms. Next, let's talk about something you probably encounter every day: processed foods. Processed foods may be convenient, but they come with a hidden cost: potential inflammation. Ultra-processed foods, like sugary snacks, fast food, and packaged meals, contain refined sugars, artificial additives, and preservatives that can trigger inflammation in the body. Corn-based additives, in particular, produce free radicals, which are unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress, harming cells and increasing inflammation. Over time, these additives can stress the body's natural defenses, making it harder to manage inflammation. Cutting back on these foods can have a significant impact on how you feel. Now, let's look at how stress can quietly drive inflammation. Did you know that stress and even dormant viruses can cause inflammation? Chronic stress can weaken the immune system by increasing cortisol, a stress hormone. When cortisol levels stay high for too long, it becomes harder for the immune system to keep certain viruses under control. Dormant viruses, like those from past infections, can resurface under stress, leading to more inflammation. Have you ever felt completely drained after a stressful week? This could be your immune system working overtime to fight off inflammation. Managing stress can make a big difference. Let's explore how blood sugar swings are linked to chronic inflammation. High-carb diets and constant snacking might be raising inflammation in surprising ways. When we eat frequent snacks or meals high in carbs, our insulin levels spike, and over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, a state where cells become less responsive to insulin. This resistance causes blood sugar levels to stay high, leading to inflammation that can affect your whole body. Many people notice reduced inflammation after trying intermittent fasting or a low-carb diet. These changes help stabilize blood sugar and support a healthier immune response. Has anyone here tried intermittent fasting? I'd love to know if it helped you with energy levels or inflammation. Let's talk about cortisol, a hormone that can get depleted under stress, leading to inflammation. If you've experienced long-term stress or have used corticosteroids, your cortisol levels might be low. Low cortisol makes it harder for the body to manage inflammation effectively. Vitamin D can help here, as it supports immune health and helps balance cortisol. Many people feel improvements by supplementing with vitamin D, but always check with a healthcare provider. If you take vitamin D supplements, I'd love to know, what difference have you noticed? Did you know that old injuries and inactivity can lead to joint inflammation? Old injuries or simply sitting for long periods can contribute to inflammation in the joints. Regular gentle movement, like walking or stretching, helps keep joints lubricated and reduces inflammation over time. Moving doesn't have to be intense. Even light activity can make a difference. Do you have a favorite way to stay active, even if it's just around the house? Another hidden inflammation trigger? Thickened bile, also known as bile sludge. Bile sludge can build up in the bile ducts, sometimes causing pain in the shoulder or back. Eating a diet with healthy fats, like olive oil and avocado, helps keep bile moving, reducing the chance of sludge buildup. A balanced diet with healthy fats supports both digestion and inflammation management. If you've ever felt random aches, this might be worth exploring. Some people naturally store more iron, which can contribute to inflammation. Iron overload can cause inflammation, especially in people who absorb more iron from foods. For those who feel worse after eating red meat or taking iron supplements, this might be a hidden issue worth checking. Excess iron in the body can cause oxidative stress, contributing to inflammation. Has anyone here had their iron levels checked? Sometimes small changes, like adjusting your diet, can make a big difference. Oxygen is essential, but low levels can quietly cause inflammation. Hypoxia, or low oxygen levels, can lead to inflammation, especially for those with anemia or lung issues. Certain types of vitamin E may help reduce oxidative stress from low oxygen. If you're looking to improve oxygen levels, even breathing exercises can make a difference. High uric acid from certain foods can cause inflammation, especially in the joints. Uric acid can build up in the body from foods high in fructose, leading to inflammation. Supporting gut health with probiotics like kefir can help manage uric acid levels. Fermented foods are especially helpful for this. Does anyone here enjoy fermented foods? Some people love them, while others don't care for the taste. Now that we've covered specific inflammation triggers, let's talk about building your body's natural defenses against inflammation. Supporting your body's natural defenses can be one of the most effective ways to reduce inflammation over the long term. Simple lifestyle changes like intermittent fasting, adding more cruciferous vegetables like broccoli or Brussels sprouts, and even trying cold exposure can help strengthen your body's immune response. These practices can boost antioxidant production, which fights off free radicals that cause inflammation. Another powerful addition is vitamin D3, which helps balance immune function and support overall health. Have you tried any of these strategies? Let me know what works best for you, especially if you've noticed a difference in how you feel. And finally, here are some additional daily habits that can help lower inflammation naturally. When it comes to reducing inflammation, the type of fats you cook with can make a difference. Saturated fats like coconut oil, beef tallow, or extra virgin olive oil are stable at high temperatures and tend to be less inflammatory than many vegetable oils. Stretching daily and incorporating omega-3s from sources like fish oil can also help keep inflammation in check. And if you're someone who enjoys exploring anti-inflammatory foods, I'd love to know, what are your go-to foods that make you feel your best? Understanding these hidden causes of inflammation can be a real game changer for your health. By becoming aware of these underlying triggers, you can start making adjustments to reduce chronic inflammation and feel better every day. From tweaking your diet to managing stress, each small change adds up to a healthier lifestyle. Remember, every journey is different, and your insights might help someone else on a similar path. So, feel free to share your own tips or experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.
Thanks for sticking with me today. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit the like button and share it with someone who's also on their health journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on upcoming tips and strategies. Let's keep moving forward together. See you in the next one.